Hello, lovely souls. I am Rosie, and I am thrilled to have you join me on today's journey as we dive into the mesmerizing world of pencil drawing. Welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we explore the beauty of creativity one stroke at a time. Today, we will be wandering down the circle heart path, a delicate yet enchanting design that captures the essence of love and connection. Let's begin by gently guiding our pencil along the curvature of our canvas, allowing our hearts to dedicate our hearts to dictate the flow of each stroke. With each line we draw, we breathe life into our creation, infusing it with the passion and emotion that resides within us. As we add depth and dimension to our artwork, let's remember that every perfection is simply a unique brushstroke in the masterpiece of life. Thank you for embarking on this artistic adventure with me, dear friends. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and with each stroke of the pencil, we paint a little piece of our souls onto the canvas of existence. Embark on a soulful exploration of artistic expressions by Rosie in this mesmerizing tutorial. Follow along as she delicately sketches the intricate curves of the circle heart path, weaving together lines of passion and connection. Through Rosie's gentle guidance, discover the joy of bringing a blank canvas to life, one stroke at a time. Whether you are a seasoned artist or a beginner, this tutorial offers inspiration and techniques to enhance your creative journey. Unleash your imagination and join Rosie on this transformative adventure through the world of pencil drawing. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep spreading love through the power of art. Forever, my fellow wanderers. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like